require a 60-minute box cross on the 1 minute trend means a 60-minute L1, L2 cross in your direction. So, well, first let me say this about these two. This one includes this one. It doesn't matter if you have this set to false. If you've got this set to true, then it's going to include this as well. So I'll show you what this means. So let's go to the 60-minute chart now. So here's a 60-minute chart on the 1 minute trend. So if this was true, is this requirement met? Requires 60-minute box cross. That means if we're going to go short on this trend trade here, if we're going to go short on it, we need the 60-minute L1 and L2 to be crossed in our direction. So the green line is the L1, the L2 is the burgundy line. So in this case, yes, the L1 is out in front of the L2. They're both crossed in our direction. The cross happened here. See, here the L1 was above it, so you can't go short then, but as soon as the cross happens, now you can think about short trades. So if you set this to true, it'll mean the L1 needs to be below the L2. It also includes the requirement of the L1 and L2 being pointed in the direction of the trade. So just because it's crossed doesn't mean anything. They both have to be pointed in the direction as well. If this was set to true, would we get the alert for this trade? The answer is no. Because is the white zone expanding? No, it's collapsing. It looks like it's very close to expanding, but it's not right now. It's collapsing. It's collapsed. So this would require more confirmation. This would not give you the alert if it required an expansion. Now, if it was requiring an expansion, what that means is not only does the white zone have to be expanded, but the L1 and L2 have to be crossed in your direction, pointing down, and they also have to be below the L7. The L1 at least needs to be below the L7 and pointing in the direction of the trade.